From just a concept of an e-commerce platform for baby products to one of the leading delivery platforms in India with a revenue over 25,000 crores. This brand took the delivery segment to the next level in India. It all started back in 2012 when Express was just a concept with its first cry, a leading e-commerce platform for baby products. Founders Amitava Saha and Supam Maheshwari envisioned a dependable logistics service for enhancing their businesses. By 2015, Express emerged as an independent entity, ready to tackle the challenge to India's bustling logistics service. In 2015, when Express entered the market, the Indian logistics market was already a massive $160 billion. The founders strategically chose to specialize in e-commerce delivery, tapping into rapidly growing segments. Initially, XBees focused on leveraging its connection with FirstCry. This association provided a solid foundation for trust and credibility, crucial for their early success without the need of an extravagant marketing budget. This strategy quickly bore fruit. By 2017, Express was handling an impressive 50,000 shipments daily and expanding its reach over 500 cities across India, firmly establishing its presence in the logistic landscape. The subsequent growth was nothing short of phenomenal. Fast forward to 2021 and Express was managing a staggering 1 million deliveries every day. Their revenue for financial year 2023 hit an impressive 2,000 crore, marking a 33% increase from the previous year. These figures reflect Express subsequent footprint in the e-commerce logistic market. Several factors contributed to Express success. A focus on technology and automation enhanced operational efficiency and delivery speed. Additionally, a robust network of hubs, warehouse and partnerships with cargo airport expanded the service reach and reliability. Social media engagement, targeting online ads and collaboration with influencers are now integral to the promotional efforts. Looking forward, the Indian e-commerce market is projected to surge to $380 billion by 2025. Express is strategically positioned to capitalize on this growth. Their ongoing commitment to innovation, customer satisfaction and technological advancement will undoubtedly pivotal in the future achievement. Thanks for turning to this exploration of Express success story. If you find this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more insightful content just like this.